Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create an awesome Chatbot application. Okay, so let's open the terminal. Okay, I'm going to work with Python tree. Let's call Python tree. Oh sorry, let's just first install this library. In order to install this library, we're going to type sudo pip3, okay, install, and their library name is Chatterbot. As you can see, let's hit enter. I'm gonna enter my password. So this is going to show me that I already have all this installed. Okay, let's open up my test. I'm gonna open my text editor, and let's get started by creating this Chatbot. So the first thing that we're going to do is to save this. I'm gonna save on documents. I'm gonna create a new class. Let's call tutors. I'm gonna call main.py. So okay, this file is created. Let's import from Chatterbot dot trainers import list trainer. This is our method or to train the Chatbot. Okay, and from Chatterbot import Chatbot. Okay, this is going to import the Chatbot. I'm gonna try to type as fast as I can. Okay, so I'm not going to further in the explanation. Okay, this is going to create the Chatbot. Okay, because I need to think a little bit fast. So let's create a list of conversations. Okay, what you can do here, probably the best way to do this is by creating a new file. Let's create a new file, and this file is going to have a list of conversations. Okay, but the way this file need to be created or organized by a simple rule, that is that each conversation must be related to the last one. So the first conversation, imagine a person talking to another person. Okay, so the thing, the list of conversation would be something like, hi, hello, how are you, how are you, I'm fine, thanks for asking, and how are you, I'm fine, how was your day? It was great. Awesome. Yes. How's yours? Mine was great. Did you watch it? The last movie that was released? No. Which one? Okay, I think we have a lot of chats here. Okay, 13 chats. Let's call this chats.txt. Let's see if I'm not doing something which I don't want to do. Okay, let's just open files. Okay, I'm trying to record this tutorial as fast as I can. Let's come here in properties, permissions, basic. Okay, I think the name is great. So let's come here. We are going to open this file. Chat is going to be the function open chats.txt. We are going to read this file. and we are going to read lines. This will be converted into a list. Okay, so let's define the method to learn this conversation, which is going to be by list trainer. Set the trainer. Okay, set the trainer. And the last thing we need to do is call bot.train plus the conversations. Okay, train the bot. Let's create a while loop. Okay, while true. Let's call request, which is going to be the request of the user. Let's call the function input u, which is going to be your typing. You typing, okay. Here's the request. Let's get the response, which is going to be bot dot get response. We are calling this function, which returns a response request. I think I'm mistyping this variable. Okay, let's print this. We're going to print bot and the response. Okay, I think that's pretty much all that we need to do. Let's call Python 3. Okay, let's drag and drop this file into the terminal. Oh, let me see. Let's drop this file right here. Let's run. This is going okay. Let's see what went wrong. Oh, let's see, chats.txt. This file do exist. Let's try to get into this folder. Let's okay, let's get into this folder. cd tutors ls. Okay, let's try to run by typing this command. Okay. Well, this chatbot library is a little bit different now. I see that we have now the progress of the training. Okay, this is awesome. So let's type something. Let's type hi, and the bot responds, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. Awesome. Yes, how yours? Yours what? It was great. What was great? Awesome. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I'm fine, thanks for asking. Do you understand this? No, which one? Okay. As you can see, this chatbot doesn't work well, like for a few sentences. But I do think this is great. As you can see, it works pretty good, don't you think? So let's jump into another thing. Let me see. Well, we have this file, which is a context. We can create another context. Let's create a context about movies, which is your favorite movie. That there's a lot of movies that I like. Choose one. Maybe let's see, Iron 3. That movie is good or not. I don't know. Okay, let's save this as. Okay, here the things is getting a little awkward. So let's save some work. Let's create a new folder. Let's go files. Okay, we're going to call this movies. I don't think txt. Okay, .txt. Let's come here. We're going to move this from here to here. What do we have here? Okay, okay, I see. So now in this folder we have two files. Okay, let's change our code a little bit. Let's just import OS. Okay, import OS. We are going to delete this because we are going to change things a little bit. We don't need this anymore. Let's call a for function for file. Let's call a underscore file and os.list g dir. Okay. The name of the folder, if I'm not wrong, is files. Let me see. Okay, it's files. Another thing we're going to do is read this file. Let's call the chats is going to be equal to open the file. Okay. We don't need the extension. Let me see. I think we need to concatenate this folder path. Okay. I think this is good. Let's give this argument for reading, and let's call bot.train chats. Okay. Plus, we are going to read all lines of this file. Let's run. Let's run again, and let's see. Okay. As you can see, it's very fast. Okay, let's type hi. Hello. Do you like movies? There's a lot of movies that I like. Okay. As you can see, it's very easy to do this. Okay. Why did I make this folder? Okay. I made this folder because it's get easier. Okay, it's get easier to add new chats. So if I just came here, create a new file, like I like math. Me too, man. Why do you like math? Cause it's awesome. Awesome. This is not an answer. Yes, it is. Let's save this as math. Okay. Math.txt. Now if we run this bot again, this chatbot again, we now have 3 files. Okay, so do you like math? The response is okay, cause it's awesome. Let's type I like math. Me too, man. Why? Hello. Okay, that's something that doesn't work well. Okay, let's work with confidence. Okay, let's try to add some confidence. I'm gonna try to concatenate this normally. Okay, so I think this is it works better this way. Let's try to work with confidence. Let's let's say that bot dot confidence, I think it's confidence is greater than 0.7. We're going to print this message. Let's try to run this. Hi. Okay, let's see if it is get confidence, because there's sometimes since I last worked with this. Okay, I forget totally about the confidence function. Okay, uh, but no worries. Later I will bring another tutorial on this awesome library. Okay, so this is pretty much all that we need to create a great chatbot. You can apply or add some another library for, I don't know, maybe Twitter interface or some Django project that you are working on. But I think this library is just great. So that was the video. I hope you like it. See you later.